Hello everyone, today's video is on the best hand vacuum in the market for this year. Through extensive research, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance, price, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like this video? Comment and don't forget to subscribe. VacLife Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This lightweight, waterproof vacuum cleaner is battery powered. VacLife creates it. The color of the handheld cleaner is light silver. It ensures powerful suction. It is an outstanding device for both home and car cleaning. This lightweight device ensures deep cleaning. Compared with other standard vacuum cleaners, it is more durable. Its long-lasting battery makes it very popular. Its battery can provide power for 20 minutes. It is reliable and affordable. It is designed to make your life easier. Handheld Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable Hand Vacuum Cleaner. This lightweight vacuum cleaner comes with a compact design. It weighs only 1.5 pounds. Its lightweight makes cleaning effortless, and its compact design makes storage easy. It facilitates easy and flexible cordless cleaning. Its suction power is very high. It requires simple maintenance. A full charge provides half an hour of runtime. It is easy to clean and use. The bad news is most hand vacuums rarely hold LED lights. But the good news is this cleaner holds LED lights. It also possesses a crevice tool, long brush, and short brush.
That's all for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you are new to the channel and you liked it, consider subscribing. We also do all kinds of videos like this over a number of products, all aimed to provide the best products and making purchasing decisions easier. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day. And until next time, I will see you guys later.